What's up, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Lexus ES350 Ultra Luxury. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And this ES350 Ultra Luxury is the most luxurious one you can get, considering the name is Ultra Luxury. You have the typical screen you find in a lot of Lexus models. You have a wireless charging tray over here. I made a video on an LS500 2024 yesterday, and that one did not have a wireless charging tray, which is interesting. You have a digital gauge cluster. This one's kind of a little bit of the older style. It's not the full digital gauge cluster, which is also interesting because the LS500 had the full digital one. So it's interesting how some have it, some of them don't for the 2024 model year. You have a beautiful caramel interior in here. I'm not exactly sure what the color is called, but it's beautiful, and I love how the roof is the same color too. You also have a panoramic sunroof, not a very common thing in a sedan to have a pano roof. You'll just have like a big sunroof or a normal sized one. You have ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel in this vehicle. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You have a Mark Levinson premium sound system, beautiful open pore wood trim, head-up display. So you have a lot of great stuff in here, and beautiful open pore wood trim on the steering wheel too. It feels very, very high quality. Put it in reverse and you have a 360 view camera as well as a regular camera. This is, yeah, and it's an pretty advanced camera too for a Lexus, because usually Lexus cameras aren't that good. But overall, I feel like what dates the interior the most in this one is the gauge cluster, because it's the older style, but other than that, it looks quite modern in here. Typical Lexus key fob as well. Pretty big or decent center console storage with 2 USB-C charging port entries. But let's walk around this Lexus and we'll take it out for a quick drive. This one has a silver exterior, and you also have these really nice wheels on this Ultra Luxury, and you have full LED headlights. These definitely look, these are like the full 3 LED projectors on this one with this Ultra Luxury trim. You'll have some black color to the headlights too. Looks darker and more premium. The roof with the pano roof looks really cool too. Like, you can tell this is a pretty premium Lexus sedan just by looking at it. One might mistake it for an LS from a distance. And you put the vehicle, and you can open the trunk from back here. Got pretty good space. You also have the Lexus cargo mat in there. You also have this chrome trim, gives it a more luxurious look. Time to drive this vehicle. And you also have the light up door sill plates. And the steering wheel leather is very high quality, and that's something, that little camera that turns on when you make a turn or at low speeds, is not something you find in most Lexus. I haven't actually seen that one in many of them, only in the luxury trims I've noticed that. Very soft ride as expected in this car. Look at that camera. You also have paddle shifters. Acceleration's okay. I mean, about what you'd expect on a ES350. Handling is, the steering feels nice though. It's pretty well weighted. That's good. It's got a little bit of torque steer, it looks like, under hard acceleration. Yeah, very quiet in this car. Very soft leather all over. On the seats, on the steering wheel, on the dash, everything is nice. Actually, no, the dash is not leather, it's plastic. Or, no, this top part is, but that's like kind of plastic, but it's still high quality. It's injection molded plastic and not hard touch. Then you obviously have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and all that stuff in this car. This one's going to give you all the amenities that you're looking for when you get an ultra luxury. And I like the placement of the wireless charging tray. It's really good. You guys know I'm very particular about that, about where charging tray is, if it's in a good place or a bad placement in the interior, because I think that's important in today's world where we all have smartphones and we want to charge our devices in our vehicles. Some brands just stick the charging tray in a random location, but it's good when it's integrated into the center console area and not somewhere where it would be inconvenient to store it. You can feel the quality of that wood. It's nice. And here's the parking camera that turns back on when you pull into a spot between other vehicles. But overall, this is a very nice 2024 Lexus ES350 Ultra Luxury right here. This one has roughly 19,000 miles and it's in great condition. Very nice car to drive, very comfortable. Not fast by any means or anything like that, but that's not the point of this car. The point of this car is supposed to be an elegant, comfortable daily driver. That's exactly what it does. But thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below, where this car is listed for sale if you'd like to shop for high quality, premium, pre-owned Lexus models. I'll see you on the next video.